What's the meaning of armor? Armor. Armor.
Armor. Armor. Armor refers to a protective covering worn on the body to defend against physical harm. It is typically made of metal or other sturdy materials such as leather or plastic. Armor has been used throughout history by soldiers, knights, and warriors in battle to protect themselves from the weapons of their enemies. Today, armor is also used by law enforcement officers, security personnel, and athletes in contact sports such as football and hockey. Overall, armor provides a vital layer of protection for those who wear it in dangerous or potentially harmful situations.